Hi, my friends. This is Miss Alexander. Today we're working with TechSmart and CS30. Our learning intention for today is that we will learn about line-based coding in programs. My success criteria, so how do I know I'm going to do this, is that I can change the structure of the program and be more like a typical Python program using Flame Express. I will also be able to demonstrate my success by having my program run without a bug. Let's go look and see what we're doing. In this exercise, we will be changing the structure of the program to be more like a Python program. So getting up the Sky Islands wasn't easy. Breeze was powerful enough to carry Boulder on her own, but they still needed to find a way to carry Splash up as well. So this is what it's going to look like. Ends of the Earth. Following the instructions in the assignment panel to complete the exercise. Follow the instructions and then use this slide as a reference if you forget what we're doing in this exercise. So what we're literally doing is everything in Splash we're putting in main. Boulder, whichever character sprites we have, we're putting everything in main. So let's go look at our code. So here we go. The first thing I always do is we run the solution. So running the solution, this is what it looks like. Kind of cool. Flame is carrying Splash up to ends of the Earth. Now I'm going to go see what I have to see what I have to do. Look, it looks like I don't have to do anything. But remember, we're trying to make it more like Python. So in order to do that, I'm going to go look at main. So if you notice in main, I have no code. I do have the word setup, main loop, move sprites, and reset cloud to the top. So when we get this kind of information, we're going to put it under each. But I'm figuring out that maybe our code is underneath our sprites. Oh, look at this. They are. So all this code underneath our sprites right here, we have to put them all into main. So the first thing it said was to go to my assignment page and read it. We've already read the description. Let's go look at our features. We're going to move the code for Flame in his basket, move the code for Splash, and move the code for the cloud. So I'm going to hit next. It says on Balloon Basket, look, copy and paste 3 events from Balloon Basket to main. I'm already in main. I have no code. Change me to Balloon Basket and then combine blocks into the existing event. We also need to make sure the blocks are at the right location based on the comments. So our comments is setup, move sprites, and reset cloud top. So I'm going to click the Balloon Basket. I have before program starts, so this setup. So I'm going to control X the variable. I'm going to delete the the before program starts. I'm going to control V it and put it underneath setup. Okay, that's 1. I'm going to go to this one, but see it has a me, so I need to change it to Balloon Basket, you guys. Now that I've done that, I'm going to hit Control X, delete. Now remember, the Balloon Basket is a sprite, and we are moving it. So I'm going to put it under Move Sprites. And now I'm going to go back to the basket. Oh, look, I have an every 2 seconds. I didn't see an every 2 seconds, so I'm going to Control X, all of it. I don't need code assist, I need main. I'm going to Control V it, and then I'm going to bring it down. And because I don't have an every 2 seconds, I just need to put it there. Okay, that's good so far. Now we're going to go to Flames Harness, and right here it says Flames Harness. So you guys, I'm going to take the me and change it to Flames Harness. It's already clicked, so I'm going to do Control X. I'm going to delete this every frame, go to main, Control V, and then put it under Move Sprites because it's moving flame. We're doing good so far. Let's go to the next section. On rope straight. Here we go, rope. Oh, I have 3 of them. Right now, I'm going to click this rope speed before program, Control X. I'm going to delete that, go to main, Control V. It's go right under the first one, and then we're going to keep going back to the rope. Right here it says me, so I got to change it to rope straight. I'm going to take it and Control Exit, delete it. Go to main, Control V it. Now I turn it in here. So far, so good. This says every 2 seconds. Let's go look at the rope. I have an every 2 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and Control X. I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to go to main. I'm going to Control V it and put it in every 2 seconds. Now it says to test this feature. So let's go see if we did any difference. Oh, look, it's doing the same thing. So haven't done any damage to the code, just copied it over. Let's go to the next section, you guys. On splash. Look, I need to change the my to splash. Then I'm going to Control Exit because we're going to go put it in every frame. I'm going to main, and splash is a sprite, so we're putting it under. Okay, we're going to test this. Make sure we test every time it says test. She has not moved, which is a good thing. We're going to go to Cloud 2. I have before program in every frame. So I'm going to grab the before program, Control X, delete before program, go to main, go Control V. I'm putting it in before program at the bottom. Now I'm going to go back to Cloud. I have a lot right here. It says change me to Cloud 2 4 times. I know these 3 don't say me, but it does say my, which is the same as me. So I'm going to change it to Cloud 2, all 4 of them. And to make life a little easier, so I don't have to copy and cut twice, I'm going to just take this every frame, click it, hit Control X. I'm just going to take all of it. And then right here, do Control V. I know right here, this is moving the sprite because it says move. And then right here, I'm going to reset the cloud. So that's the if then. Then this every frame, I can go ahead and delete. So as we're doing this, let's go see if we've changed any of the code or is they still flying. Oh, look. I did a pretty good job at cutting and pasting all of the code into our main. That is all we are doing. You've got this, you guys. Take a breath, slow down, and just enjoy. And as always, remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. I'll talk to you later. Bye.